bicycle.
Carter, don't touch it. All that snow might fall off the roof.
Yeah, Baker's right.
Colonel Clink? Yes, what is it, Hogan? I think you better have a look at this, sir. What do you want, Hogan?
Just this, sir. I wanted you to see how dangerous it was with all that snow on the roof, but now there's no problem.
Gesundheit, Herr Kommandant.
See you back in camp.
But Commandant, you're not going back to camp in those wet clothes, are you?
Colonel Hogan's right, sir. With your cold, it could be dangerous.
I think you have a good point there, Sergeant Baker.
Slightest chill, sir, could mean pneumonia.
Yes, I do feel a chill.
I think it's walking pneumonia.
Me? Walking pneumonia?
You're walking, aren't you? That's the first sign of it.
Carter! You heard it, Colonel.
You know you can't play that thing.
Wait a minute, hold it. You might be able to use hot lips here.
Well, aside from driving the enemy insane, what do you have in mind, sir?
To trigger that avalanche.
Hey, that's a good idea. Carter, can you blow a high C?
Are you kidding? A lot of people say I play the trumpet a lot like Armstrong.
Louis or Jack?
Just listen to this.
Hold it, Satchmo. I think that'll do it. However, let's have a little jam session. LeBeau, take the piano.
Right. Hey, I'll handle the bass.
I'll handle the drums. Newkirk, you play anything?
Yes, sir. I play to the leader. If you'll follow me, gentlemen. Follow me. Come on. Am I going to be the last one? Right. All move together.
Let's go.
Oh, we need Snow White. There we go. Bring your leg round. I got it.
All right, let's do Cherokee, huh?
Yeah, I used to get a lot of requests for that.
Oh, swell. We'll do it in B flat. I got the first four. Newkirk?
All right, gentlemen. 2 for free, and away we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Session.
Would you like to have a little down show? The next one's going to be a waltz.
Please, will you stop it? You take General...
Achtung! Achtung! Put down those instruments.
We're just rehearsing for the POW prom.
Right, that's right.
Hey, if you're going to be in town that day, stop by. We're all going to be stag.
I know exactly what your little plan was, Colonel Hogan. But you did not trigger the avalanche. All you did was break the window, for which you will reimburse the management.
Look who's coming.
Colonel Clank, what are you doing out of that sick bed?
Please, Hogan.
There's nothing wrong with Colonel Clink. Right, Clink?
Right, General. I have never felt better in my life.
Achoo!
Clink, you fool! Look what you...
I think they're playing our song.
Clink, you hear that? You have triggered the avalanche.
But, General, I didn't mean it, General.
Just a minute, Colonel. You owe the General one gesundheit.